Good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. For today's video, we have here Euphorbia herla. This is called tawa-tawa in the Philippines. Before long, this plant is known for very good in lowering the temperature and fever. But since 1980, they discovered that this plant is also good for sore eyes, cough, diabetes, dengue, malaria, and gastritis and diarrhea. The traditional way of preparing this euphorbia or tawa-tawa is to boil it. First, we have to harvest it together with the roots. We have to get a handful of this euphorbia, wash it thoroughly, maybe 5 times, so that there will be no dust. Then boil it in 3 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes so the substance is extracted very well. So after boiling it, you can drink it directly like a tea. But for today's modern times, some prepare it into a capsule type. So we can buy this on a pharmacy in a capsule type. The doctor recommend it to drink 3 times a day of the capsule. It's very effective on fever. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.